Welcome to InvestoSphere, the ultimate place where your financial goals meet actionable strategies. If you're someone who wants to tap into the world of Instagram Reels and start making real money without ever showing your face, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to walk you through every single step from zero to income. You don't need a big following. You don't need expensive equipment. All you need is your phone, a smart content strategy, and the willingness to start today. Stick with me until the end, because I'll not only show you how to make faceless reels, but also how to monetize them in multiple ways. Let's begin with the first question that comes to mind. Number 1, why Instagram Reels? Instagram Reels are short, engaging videos that allow creators to get massive organic reach. Why are they so powerful? Because the algorithm pushes Reels more than regular posts. If you've ever scrolled through Instagram, you know that Reels dominate your feed, even from creators you don't follow. This means you can grow quickly, go viral, and earn money, even if no one knows who you are. What's even better, you don't have to show your face, speak, or even film yourself. Thousands of faceless creators are making money right now, and you can too. Number 2, picking your faceless niche. Let's talk about niche selection. Not all niches are equal. Some get way more views and engagement than others. For faceless reels, these are some of the most powerful niches. Motivational quotes with text overlays and background music. Finance tips or money hacks with stock footage. Life advice or productivity with AI-generated voiceovers. Book summaries or business facts. Relationship or breakup quotes with cinematic videos. Pet compilations, especially trending ones. Relaxing nature sounds or calming videos. Funny memes or relatable short clips. The goal is to create content that is engaging, shareable, and adds value without revealing your identity. Number 3, creating content without showing your face. You might be wondering, where do I create these reels? Here's what you need. Stock footage or clips. Use websites like Pexels, Pixabay, or Canva to find royalty-free video clips. You can even use AI-generated visuals. Background music. Instagram has a free library. Choose tracks that match the emotion of your content. Voiceover tools. If you don't want to speak, use AI tools like ElevenLabs or TTS Maker to create professional voiceovers. Text overlay. Use tools like CapCut or InShot to add text on screen. This is where you deliver value. Facts, quotes, tips, or short stories. Consistency. Post 1 to 3 reels per day to build momentum. The more content you put out, the more chances of going viral. Number 4, how to monetize faceless reels. Let's now talk about what really matters, making money. Here are the most effective monetization strategies, even without followers. 1, affiliate marketing. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Add links in your bio or promote them using text in your reels and redirect viewers to your link tree. Make faceless product reviews, top 3 lists, or daily hacks, and drive traffic to affiliate offers. 2, digital product sales. Create and sell your own ebooks, Notion templates, Canva templates, or budget planners. Use your content to drive traffic and link to your Gumroad or Etsy store. 3, paid promotions. Once you start getting views, small brands will approach you. You can charge $50 to $500 per shout-out, even without showing your face. 4, ad revenue bonus. Meta has programs like the Reels bonus program. Not available for everyone, but once eligible, you can earn directly from Instagram. 5, drive traffic to YouTube or blog. Use your Reels to drive traffic to other monetized platforms, like a YouTube channel or blog, where you earn through ads and affiliate links. Number 5, tools and APPSTO make your work easier. Here are tools that will help you create, post, and grow efficiently. CapCut or InShot for video editing and effects. Canva for designing quote reels or overlay templates. ElevenLabs or Murf.ai to generate AI voiceovers. Pexels, Unsplash, or Pixabay, royalty-free footage. Notion or Trello for content planning. Meta Business Suite to schedule reels. Hashtag generator tools to optimize discovery. Linktree or Beacons.ai to organize your links. Remember, tools are only helpful if you use them with consistency. Number 6, how to grow without followers. No followers? No problem. Here's how to grow your account and make money even as a beginner. Use trending audio in your reels to boost discoverability. Keep videos short and engaging. Attention span matters. Hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. Use curiosity or bold statements. Post daily. The more data you feed Instagram, the better it pushes you. Engage with other accounts in your niche, comments, likes, and reposts. Add value in every post. People will follow when they consistently learn or laugh. You've now seen how it's completely possible to make money on Instagram Reels without ever showing your face. That we covered niches, content ideas, tools, growth strategies, and multiple ways to monetize. So here's the real question. What's stopping you from starting today? Whether you're looking to earn a side income or turn this into a full-time business, the opportunity is in front of you right now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start messy, improve as you go, and commit to the journey. If this video helped you even a little, do me a favor. Like this video, leave a comment with your favorite strategy, and hit that subscribe button. But there's a lot more content coming your way on how to build real income using smart digital methods. This is InvestoSphere, and I'll see you in the next video.